sit in a thunderbolt position and stretch your arms up and keep it as away as you can, arm length. Place your palm. You have to place your palm this way. All fingers should be apart. Come up. Your shoulder and your wrist should be in a line. And the gap between your both knees should be this much. Measure. Split your toes. Keep your palm firmly this way. Now look up. Inhale and look up. Exhale and suck your tummy in and tuck your tailbone in and keep your chin close to your collarbone. Lift your body up. Exhale completely. Deep inhale. Look up. Exhale. Close your eyes. Suck your tummy in. Tuck your tailbone. Keep your chin close to collarbone. Inhale. Exhale. After a few breaths, relax your back. Now shift your all body weight in your left knee, right knee and left arm. Raise your right arm and left leg. Feel the core here. Stretch. Keep your body straight. Now rotate your shoulder and fold your leg and try to catch your toes. Look straight. Pull it up. Feel the extension of your chest. Slowly down. Now change your arm. Your left arm, right leg. Balance. After a couple of breaths, now rotate your shoulder and catch your toe. Feel your core. Look up, look straight. Or you can do Nasagami Drishti or Akash Drishti. Slowly back. Deep inhale and exhale. Now sit in comfortable position. Relax your wrist. Relax yourself. Observe the changes.